Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best charging cables for iPhone 2024, so let's check it out. Product listed as price, review rating. Number 5. Original PD35W Fast Charger for iPhone. This original PD35W Fast Charger, designed for iPhone 15/14/13/12/11 Pro Max, includes a 1M USB-C to Type-C cable for rapid data transfer and charging. Please note that the information can be changed at any time. Number 4. AUFU 5A Magnetic Type-C Cable for Fast Charging. The Type-C cable ensures fast charging for Samsung S21, Huawei P30, iPhone, Xiaomi, and other devices. Its magnetized connection allows for easy attachment and detachment. Number 3. AUFU 2PCS-PD240W Magnetic Type-C Cable. This AUFU 2PCS-PD240W Magnetic Type-C cable supports superfast charging for Macbook, iPhone, Samsung, Xiaomi, and laptops. Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 2. Baseus PD240W Type-C cable for iPhone MacBook. Experience super-fast charging with the Baseus PD240W Type-C cable, perfect for iPhone 16 Pro Max, MacBook, iPad, and more. Number 1. Baseus 100W USB-C cable with phone stand. This USB-C cable offers fast charging for iPhone 16, 15 Pro Max, MacBook, iPad, and Xiaomi devices. With a built-in phone stand, it provides both convenience and versatility. Thanks for watching.